If you've been wondering how to get your Calendly URL, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact steps to find your Calendly link, copy it, and make sure you use it correctly when sharing it with clients, customers, or teammates. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can be a little confusing at first. So let's break it down step by step. And if this video helps you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. First, open the Calendly website and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see either your profile picture or your initials there. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up your account menu and give you access to your profile details. Now, in that profile area, look for your main profile link. You should see something that looks like calendly.com/yourname. This is your personal Calendly URL, and it is usually displayed directly under your name. That link is the one you can share with other people so they can book meetings with you. Once you find it, highlight and copy the link. You can use your mouse, keyboard shortcut, or the copy option if Calendly shows one. After you copy it, you can paste it into messages, emails, your website, or social media bios. One important thing to remember is that if you're typing the link manually or testing it in a browser, make sure you include calendly.com/ before the name. In other words, don't just send a username by itself. It needs the full URL format so it works properly when someone clicks it. If your profile link does not look exactly right, double check that you're on the correct Calendly account. Sometimes people have more than one account, so it's always smart to confirm you're logged into the right one before sharing the link. You can also open the URL in a new browser tab to make sure it loads correctly, and that's really all there is to it. To get your Calendly URL, just log in, click your profile icon, find the link under your name, and copy it. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more Calendly tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.